live. People come on, share the live, share the live.
That one they're jerking.
Oh, you mean perfect? You that big burp? Yeah, man, that big burp I would need. Release the chest. Yes. One more.
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Bless up on yourself naturally before watching my video, is it? And mega ask you, please and thanks for hit that subscribe button if you don't miss out and get all of the latest news. So today video is kinda rated in a sense, as you can see how you know the first intro. You see, so Sandakan I try eat slap off a crate of beer. You see it, Sandakan one drink off 24 Red Stripe. People, please do not try this at home. So make we see what I go on.
See that? What I'm what is better, sir? Good body got Tracy. You get can and catch feelings. Okay, alright. Sandakan, welcome again.
Yes, sir.
At the early and on the show, I'm going to ask you if you really want to do this.
Yeah.
I'm going to ask you again.
Yeah.
You really want to do this?
Yeah.
People, share the live right now. Share the live, share the live, share the live. No, man, like, you go back up more, man. Dress back more way to them, man. You have the camera messed up, man. Yeah. There's some want it still. Don't move it from this up. So, Sandakan?
Yes, sir.
You ready?
Yes, sir.
24.
Yes, sir.
Start it now, Sandakan. Ready, go. So each time you finish one, just turn at the back upside and down. I'm going to set up like that back. Alright. Throw it right now. Put to one side. Yeah, next one. Someone you do it. People, share the live, share the live, share the live. Share the live. Share the live, people, share the live. Hello? Alright. You burp.
15 dumpling now a crate of beer.
Share the live, people, share the live, share the live. Serious, I know.
God miss him good. God miss him good. God work me all the way to the end. Watch me. on there. Forward. Come on. Follow that. Me call you. Follow you. Brother, follow that. Come on. Follow that. You go call that. Follow that. You me dog. Come on, you. Don't say that. You see how much strip so. You see how much strip. All right.
Share the live. People come on, share the live. Share the live.
That one they're jerking.
Oh, you mean perfect? You that big burp? Yeah, man, that big burp I would need. Release the chest. Yeah. One more.
Look, the dog almost beat half fight still.
Share the live.
Good boss.
Okay, alright. Okay.
Good man.
Alright, boss.
No, me full off.
Believe in I am a dear. What you man? Believe in I am a king. I want to be a man.
Alright, what then? Alright?
You good man. You out here man.
Alright then.
You can't do it. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you need to.
Marble 5. Please. Grab paper. Leave money on the paper. Please. Time 5 people. Yo, that craving it.
Yeah.
That craving it. People more. 5 people. So you get my craving in there by 2 people.
Hey.
Well, go on then, can't do it.
No, man, ain't good, man.
Look good there, man. Look good like a wow you. You got done over this. I got me say them. I got me say, brother. Straight Almighty God. Watch me clearly.
Yeah. So come at what the whole night. Share the live.
Come on.
Hey. Hey. Sit down, man. No, yo, go and go sit down back, man. Sit down back, man. Sit down back, man. Oh, it's man. Sit down, man. Let's sit down. Give my light. Give my light. Give my light. I want cigarette to burn in a burn.
Good man. You burn all of them, man.
We can go and concentrate. Yeah, man, that's the honest. The man know we can go and concentrate. And Sanda kind of know you can.
Good love, man.
I know you can.
Good, I can do, man.
I know you can. All right.
Play some music, make him money, you know.